Welcome to Hanlin Ave, a quiet cul-de-sac street where birds chirp and people enjoy views of the mountain, just steps away from Dalton Park, a beautiful area to hang out with your family with lots of things to do all year round. Behind me is a single-family home which is nicely updated and very well loved by its current family. Let's take a look inside and wait till you see the backyard. As you enter, you can enjoy the warm and cozy living room with a wood-burning fireplace here and recessed lighting, which adds a nice touch. Here we have a spacious dining area with a table for 6, next to a nicely updated kitchen with granite countertops and newer appliances. Let's take a look at the bathrooms and the bedrooms. Guest bathroom is nicely updated here, across the hall from the first bedroom, adjacent to the second bedroom, across the hall from the spacious primary suite, which has 2 closets, one for him and one for her, and lots of space, and a full ensuite bathroom. From the bed, you can enjoy views of the backyard. A lot of space here with a covered patio for a table and a barbecue pit and a refrigerator and a massive backyard for entertaining your friends and family and enjoying a view of the mountains. If you have any questions or would like to see the home, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you.